Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jingsiyo ka parit but pila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan, pila ro ban chukola ho number, kandai nyo saw san riu pranot, lani kandai pran riu laisan, arn riu kandai pra.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hila banyo na barok kidukan.
Kum kejing shimta hagajan bhagidari event Kiba Shapang G20 ka National Education Policy bat ka Foundation of Literacy and Numeracy bat kuntupru halor kejing kata jong Drok hagajala Katranat Pulit jong Karibhoy District ringkat kejing etrai lang ba ka Union Christian College hak khat santrik jleo arjar apulai la pelong kejing ai jing kai halor kejing kata jong Drok halor kapang drug abuse and illicit trafficking hakani ka program la hishim benta de spangut ki khana school na James Memorial Higher Secondary School na St. Francis de Assisi Higher Secondary School bat na Union Christian Higher Secondary School Umbir uhe pulit jong jela Meghalaya Dr. LR Bishnoi ulalongkum kongsan ringkat ke jingdon lang jong Superintendent of Police Karibhoy District Ugiri Persat u Deputy Superintendent of Police uba S Pasleng bat kiwe
Now there are different types of drugs. I will not go into the details of each and every one. As I said, SCMS has mentioned, confiscation of heroin, confiscation of marijuana, confiscation of cocaine, many different types of drugs, right? But as you can see, there are three very important categorizations of drugs. Stimulants, you have to be very careful. For those of you who are aspiring sportsmen also, you may feel the need of being induced into taking stimulants to make yourself physically stronger, to make yourself physically fitter, right? And then that becomes a habit, right? That's why our sportsmen also are very much, young sportsmen and women are very much under the danger of being exposed to this menace because of the physical consequences that it provides, right? Depressants, those who are eating too much, either mentally or physically, tend to overuse drugs. And of course, those who do it for fun, hallucinations, it produces chemicals in your body and you become addicted without even much realizing. Alright? So be aware of these three categories. Okay? Now, although alcohol is not categorized as a drug, but we find abuse of alcohol can also lead to addiction and other consequences and other health conditions. So you have to be careful with not only drugs but also alcohol.
It is high time for all responsible stakeholders of our society to join hands together to control this grave social peril. I hope that this program will be able to spread the message successfully in our society.
Any chemical substance which can change the function of your nervous system is a drug. And why it is known as narcotic drugs? Because the drugs is derived from the plants. And there are 3 plants on this planet from which drug is derived. First is poppy plant, opium poppy. Second is cannabis plant, also known as hemp. And third is coca plant. And where coca plant is found, any idea? Coca plant is not found in India. Anybody have any guess where it is found? Mainly it is grown in the South American countries or so-called Latin America, like Mexico, Colombia, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Uruguay. These are the Latin American countries where the coca plant is grown. So from coca plant, cocaine is made. From the poppy plant, opium is made. And from the cannabis plant, we get it cannabis or marijuana, or in common parlance it is known as ganja. Okay? And this problem is not only in India, not only in Meghalaya, not only in Northeast, but it is a worldwide problem. It's a global problem. In America, in states, highly developed states like America, nearly 1 lakh people are losing their lives every year to the drug use. So first reason is the peer group pressure. Peer group means the pressure from your friends, pressure from the students. So when you select the friends, please be careful that good friends and nice youth are selected. If anybody is a spoiled brat, and if you make him a close friend, then he will influence your behavior and tempt you for drugs. Second is curiosity. Some students are curious, let us check it, what is this? And once you take it, it's very difficult to come out of it. Because the drugs like heroin, you require very, very small doses. 150 milligram only in one dose. And if any youth takes 3 doses, 150 milligram, 150 milligram, 150 milligram, mean total 450 milligram, that is less than half a gram. After taking those 3 doses, the youth will become addicted